Okay, so a box just came in the mail, so I think we should put one and one together and figure that my phone has arrived. So I thought it would be touching to do an unboxing right in front of you while I cut myself open with this crazy knife. Don't do this. Don't use a crazy knife to open up boxes. And we have the Samsung Galaxy 3. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, let me get myself situated here and we'll crack this baby open. Okay, we're back for some funness. All right, so I'm just gonna unveil the beautifulness of this. I am ever so excited. Oh, hi. Hi, beautiful phone. I was worried it was going to be big and bulky, and to be quite honest, look at how beautiful and gorgeous this is. It is so thin. I picked the white one because, I don't know, I thought it would be easier to get because I think that blue is a very popular color. So, this feels wonderful. I have to tell you guys, already, my broken BlackBerry and the brand new Samsung Galaxy S3. I think we have upgraded to the max. The button, can you see the button? Falls out all the time. I've been tackling this for the last 2 months of a button issue. There's no buttons to fall out on this. Okay, I'm gonna move on. I'm sure there's instructions on what to do with this, and I don't think there's a battery in here yet. So I'm gonna read some instructions, and when things get happening, maybe I'll do a video on it and upload it to YouTube. I'm excited. I'm stoked. So today's an awesome day because I finally have upgraded myself to something that's current and relevant, and I feel current and relevant. I gotta go put some makeup on.